This is my Black & Decker KW900E. Some time ago, the depth stop lock broke. The nut behind that affixes the bolt came off in the body and has been rattling around inside since, and I haven't been able to engage the lock to use the depth stop. So my husband tried, and I've tried before to try and get into this, and tonight I've just got it on me to get in and get this resolved. And thankfully I've managed to find a way in and open up this cap here. This came off, and then I was able to free the nut by turning it upside down. So at last I've got my hands on that. If you can see, yeah. So that little chamber there in front of the, don't know what you call it, leg, is where the nut needs to sit. But obviously I can't reach in there, that's some way down. So I've just had this idea that perhaps maybe just lowering the nut in on something really thin, like some cotton, might work and might allow me to lower it into place. But I'm in my workshop, I haven't got any cotton, I can't be bothered to go rummaging in the house, so I just figured I'd pull a hair out my head and try that. So let's see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to line up the light and keep recording and see if I can lower this into position simultaneously. Oh, is that it? Nope. Oh, is that it? It reminds me of the game when you were a kid and you had, hey, done it, magnetic fissures. Oh, okay, so you can just see the hair there, which, if possible, see if I can leave that in place for now. Okay, so I've got the lock handle in bits now, and I push the bolt in. This is so hard to do and record at the same time. Get the gist. So that feels quite snug now. Yeah, so that should do its job with locking this thing into place when I try to set the depth. I'm just trying to show you how this happened in the first place. We've got a bolt, hexagonal bolt here, made of metal. The lock handle is made of plastic, and the plastic on metal has just worn away, and it's more like a octagon. There's not much of it left. So basically, when I was trying to lock it up and it was kind of just twisting around, I ended up faffing with it and wearing it even more, and then eventually the bolt just was turning around willy-nilly and the nut fell off the back. That's how it came to pass in the first place, that the nut was floating around inside the router. But I managed to suss it, and now I should be able to piece it all back together and get it working again.